So today we're gonna make the parallax effect. As you can see, the background follows the mouse, but the more back the background is, the slower it goes, which makes sense. So let's get started. First, paint a sprite. Name it Name it layer 1. And then 1. Now, name the sprite effect or anything else you want. Use the box tool. Make sure there's no outline and make the color a nice brown. Now, make sure the rectangle is outside of the border, which is here. Now, use the box tool again. Instead, make it green. And then drag it like this. Then, use this tool and make some random wavy things. As you can see, random wavy things. And then select all of it and make it pointed. Now you should have something like this. Then copy pastel it. Use this tool again and make it smaller-ish, kind of like this. And it will create some nice effects. Now make this one lighter. Lighter color. And you can change the size. Now, do that one more time. And make it even smaller than before. And after you're done that, make the color lighter. Maybe not too light. About this kind of light. Now, in the backdrops, use the box tool. Make the color a sky color. And do this. Sky color. Now, layer 1 is done. Duplicate it. Delete everything. Use the box tool. Make the color green. Light-ish green. About like this. And then drag it. Make sure it's also out of the border. Now, make it a good size. Use this tool and make some mountains. Make the mountains kind of small-ish. Kind of like this. And you can adjust the size. duplicate this. Now flip horizontally and make this darker green. Make it taller. Then duplicate this and also go back to layer 3 and use this tool and edit the mountain a little bit. Kind of like this. Now it's different. And now in here, make the color gray. Make it very high, like mountains. As you can see. And now, duplicate this and use this tool. Delete a few of the points. Oops. Delete this point. Delete this, this, and then drag it here, and make it a good size. And now, make this white for the color of snow. And as you can see, we have snow on the mountain. Now, when green flag clicked, forever, actually, repeat 4 times, and before that, hide, then create a clone of myself, and next costume, and switch costume to layer 1 first. Now, when I start as a clone, show, then forever, if else, then costume number equals 1. Costume number equals 1. Then that will be go to front, then duplicate that. Number 2, that would be go backwards one layer, duplicate that. 3, which would go back two layers, duplicate that, and 4, and make it backwards. Instead, the last one will be go to back layer. Now, as you can see, if you run this, it will have all the layers ready. And in here also, go to 0, 0. Now they should be perfectly positioned. And lastly, go to in here. That would be go to and then put 2 times in here. This will be 0.85. No, 0.9. 0.09. 0.09. And here it will be mouse X and mouse Y. Duplicate that. Put it in here. And this time it will be 0.07. 0.07. Duplicate that. 0.05. 0.05. And lastly, here, 0.03 and 0.03. Now, as you can see, this effect works. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.